Hey Mary, it is Tracy, and I am here to just talk about your presentation. So, first off, thank you for presenting. I really enjoyed your presentation. I felt like your slides were very organized and they were very nicely done, very professional. I felt like you had a good amount of text in your slides as well, and you added to that through your speaking, your teaching. Your explanations were easily understood as a listener, and I could tell that you had taken a good amount of time to read the articles, make sure you know what was going on, and just you understanding before you shared. That was very obvious in your presentation. I loved that what you learned about, well, or hold on, let me start over. I loved what you shared about the well-being for our students. You shared how it actually is good well-being for everyone, and that was huge. It was just a good eye-opener for me. Video feedback, I would just say virtual learning, it is done through videos, and so it's good to just have this practice using constructive feedback between you and I and other educators so we can learn together. So thank you very much, and I hope you have a good day.